Tara, tawa tayo. Pinoy Core. So, nakita ko lang to sa Facebook. Tapos, mag-react tayo. Or tatawa tayo sa mga comments, sa mga screenshots na i-post din. So, I don't own any rights to these pictures. Kaya naman, credits to the rightful owner po. Anyway, let's go! So, ito nga, yung nakasabi ay, tulungan niyo ko, ano ba dapat sabihin ko sa kanya? Yung papasa ng sukli ng bayad sa driver ng jeep. Tingnan natin yung mga comments. Ay, naku, Pinay talaga. At nangunguna sa listahan natin. Ano yung English ng ate paabot po? Ate, pass the message. At ang pangalawa, here's the money, please let me go. At ang pangatlo natin, subtract the money from my hand. Ate, can you connect this money to the driver? Heto pa, yung pambansang, no, give me a loan. Apoy pa Bible verse ko, no? This too shall pass, and thy driver shall receive, char. Napajud, hello, please step forward. Layo ka, ante, pero sige, dawatan natin mga entry. Ano pa? Can you see this? Give this to the man who can't be moved. Decrease me there. Pass this or I will pass out. Excuse me, can you pass my shipping fee? At ang pambato ng lahat, charot, ang panghuli pero hindi nagpapahuli. Finish or not finish, pass my paper.